Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in outdoor and home products. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any outdoor space, the OTOSTAR Outdoor Throw Pillow Inserts. If you're looking for durable, water-resistant, and comfortable cushion inserts for your patio, garden, or even your coffee house, these 12 by 20-inch waterproof pillows are the perfect solution. Let's talk about what makes these pillow inserts stand out. First off, they are specifically designed for outdoor use. The water-resistant fabric ensures that no matter the weather, rain or shine, your pillows will stay dry and maintain their shape. This makes them ideal for poolside seating, garden benches, or even as cozy accents on your patio furniture. The material itself is top-notch. These inserts are filled with premium 7D fiber, which not only gives them a soft and plush feel but also helps them retain their shape over time. They're well-filled, providing the perfect balance of comfort and support. Whether you're relaxing after a long day or entertaining guests outdoors, these pillows will add that extra layer of comfort that you've been missing. Another great feature is the thoughtful packaging. The pillows are vacuum sealed for shipping, meaning they arrive compact, but don't worry, they'll fluff up perfectly after just a few days. If you want to speed up the process, a quick spin in the dryer will help the pillows expand fully, so they're ready for use in no time. What's even better is that these pillow inserts come in a simple, pure white color, making them versatile enough to match any outdoor decor. And if you like to switch up your style from season to season, you can easily swap out the covers for a new look without having to replace the entire pillow. This is a huge win for anyone who loves variety in their outdoor space. If you're concerned about the longevity of these pillows, rest assured, the quality speaks for itself. The water-resistant cover protects against moisture and dirt, while the polyester filling allows for breathability, ensuring that your cushions stay fresh for longer periods. And for those moments when you need to clean them, a simple hand wash is all that's needed, no machine wash or dry cleaning required. In conclusion, the OTOSTAR Outdoor Throw Pillow Inserts are the best choice for anyone in need of durable, water-resistant, and comfortable cushions for their outdoor spaces. Whether you're looking to decorate a garden bench, add comfort to your patio seating, or spruce up your living room, these pillows are a great addition to any home. So, if you're ready to elevate your outdoor experience, check them out and make your space even more inviting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.